Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to dome racing letters. These are the racing letters that we created in our last video. You can go to the last video from the link below description box. Make sure you take all the safety precautions before starting. So come on, let's get started. Mix resin and hardener according to the measurement required for your project, and we need a popsicle stick. There are two methods of doming resin letters, so I am unmolding few of the letters and keeping two of them with the mold itself to show you both the method. Let's get started doming with the first method. This is the very easiest method of doming. Keep the letters unmolded and start doming. Make sure to use a popsicle stick or a pipette when you dome. Do not use a measuring cup or resin dispenser for doming because we need to pour resin little by little on these cured resin letters. And most importantly, make sure not to pour too much or not to pour less. Anyone here new to my channel, then please consider subscribing our channel and make sure to press the bell icon for all notifications. Then you will get all our video notifications in your notification bar. Keep these letters as it is in the mold to be dried for 48 hours. Let's move on to the second method. For this, you have to take all the letters out of the mold and keep it on a surface. I'm keeping on the mold itself to show you clearly. Carefully check how the letters look like. It is not finished yet. It has no any perfect finish. So from doming we expect the letters to be finished and getting a fine finish for these letters. So let's get started doming these letters. Pour the resin little by little, just like we did before, using a popsicle stick or a pipette. This way of doming has advantages and disadvantages. The advantage is when we do the doming after unmolding the letters, you can use the mold for another project. But in the same time, the disadvantage of this method is when we pour the resin on top of the cured letters, the resin can drip off from the pieces and make additional parts which we have to sand or trim off after curing completely. So because of that, first method is the best method for doming letters to get a fine and neat finish. Hope you got the idea how to dome resin letters, and if you have any query or any suggestions, any other method, then please comment below in comment section. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Thanks for watching.